The ONTAP Select VMware Center plugin is designed for ONTAP Select administrators working in a VMware environment. In this video, we'll see how simple it is to provision storage in a matter of minutes using ONTAP Select directly in vCenter. Starting from our vCenter login, let's go into the console and see how it's done. Once we're logged in, we'll navigate to the Select Deploy plugin in Menu under Global Inventory Lists. There are two entries, one for Select and one for Select Deploy. Since we don't have any ONTAP Select Cluster set up yet, we will go ahead and create one. In this sequence, we'll create a two-node cluster. If you're familiar with ONTAP Select Deploy, you'll notice the actual interface is very comparable. NetApp has recreated the functionality and look and feel of Deploy in vCenter to make the user experience as similar as possible. My ONTAP image here happens to be a developer build. Keep in mind that it is possible to have multiple ONTAP versions listed in that repository, in case several releases have been qualified. In the next step, we will set up some additional configuration options. We can create a small VM or a medium VM. In this case, we're building a small VM in evaluation mode. The good news is that the evaluation licenses can be seamlessly converted to production licenses without redeploying. Once we choose which host to install on, Deploy queries our ESX hosts for the virtual port groups and data stores. Be particularly clear on which port group will be used for the Select internal network. Remember that the internal network for ONTAP Select is virtual, meaning it runs over the ESX virtual switch, but we do require a large MTU size. The network connectivity checker verifies that the two hosts can see each other via a Layer 2 network using the specified internal port groups. After the check is successfully concluded, we're all clear to create our cluster. We can monitor the cluster creation using the Deploy plugin. So in the menu, under Global Inventory Lists, choose Deploy this time. Click on Administration, and now you can see all the events in the Deploy log. We can see that the cluster setup has finished. When I go back to the Select widget, I can see that my cluster is being listed, along with its details. As you can see, the whole process was completed in minutes. The ONTAP Select VMware vCenter plugin is a big time saver and workflow improvement for both IT generalists and VM admins looking to deploy storage to support their application infrastructure. To learn more and try our free 90-day ONTAP Select evaluation, go to www.netapp.com/select. Thank you.